In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change a contact to a supplier in Xero. Now, technically, Xero doesn't have a button that says Convert Contact to Supplier, but there is a simple way to make this happen automatically inside the system. If you've added someone as a contact and later realize you need to pay them as a supplier, this quick method will update their status properly without creating duplicates. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along easily. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, go to the top menu and click on Business. In the drop-down menu, select Bills to Pay. This is where you manage supplier bills inside Xero. Once you're on the Bills to Pay screen, look for the green New Bill button and click it. This is the key step that allows Xero to recognize a contact as a supplier. When the new bill window opens, go to the From field at the top. Start typing the name of the existing contact that you want to change into a supplier. As you type, Xero will show matching contacts from your list. Select the correct contact from the dropdown. Now you'll need to enter the bill details. Choose the date for the bill, then select the appropriate account for the expense. After that, enter the amount that you want to assign to this bill. You don't need to enter complicated information here. This can even be a small test bill if you're simply updating their status. The important thing is that you are creating and approving a bill under that contact's name. After filling in the required fields, click the Approve button. Once you approve the bill, Xero automatically categorizes that contact as a supplier. There's no separate conversion process required. The system recognizes that because you've created and approved a bill for this contact, they now function as a supplier in your records. To confirm everything worked correctly, go back to the top menu and click on Contacts. From the dropdown, select Suppliers. Here, you'll now see that contact listed as a supplier automatically. That's it. You've successfully changed a contact into a supplier in Xero. This method is simple, clean, and avoids creating duplicate profiles in your contact list. Instead of deleting and recreating contacts, you're simply triggering Xero's built-in logic by approving a bill. It keeps your records organized and ensures your reporting stays accurate. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to change a contact to a supplier in Xero quickly and correctly. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.